Hello and welcome to Kanen Coffee Espresso Machines. Today we're testing this beautiful old Pavoni with a custom gauge kit installed in the piston. And yeah, just a beautiful machine with nice wood features, custom steam tip, good stuff. So let's go ahead and pull a shot. We get about 6 bar pressure. Decent shot. We can probably get a little bit better crema, but we probably rushed this a little bit, didn't let it heat as much as it probably should. I think this machine's a little bit slower to heat because of the insulator here, which is good for making espresso, but I'm not sure if it heats up right away when the gauge is at 1, just past 1. But it's working well, no leaks, and test the steam. Nice strong steam. Might need a little sealant there. So thank you for pairing with Kanen Coffee. Please like our videos below. If you'd like to see more videos like this, please subscribe to our channel. Thank you.